We're going on a bike ride. Bike ride where? Poland.
Poland.
From Slovakia to Poland and around on mixed roads. Nice nature.
Like the real bike.
Sonia's new road bike. Masz domu? Osjej.
Come along with me. I'll show you.
This is meteorite.
Ready? Go!
The last stop before going to the jungle. What do you have? Are we in Thailand or what?
We're eating bulgur with vegetables and broccoli and Himalayan pink salt and other spices. And
Oh,
very
it's
good.
first time bulgur.
It's okay. It's a good instead of rice. It's a little bit different, but pretty similar.
It's really close to barley, I would say.
I was not really eating barley.
Yeah. Barley is cheaper. This is more expensive, but still pretty
I think
cheap.
this is good for digestion. Like soft.
Mhm.
Barley is more chewy, you know.
Yeah.